Prime Minister A.T. Mondal has stated that the government is following the advisory of IIT as far as not allowing heavy vehicles on the Umiam Dam and bridge. Mondal told media persons that IIT was entrusted for purpose and the institute has given the technical feasibility of restricting heavy vehicles on the dam and the bridge. As of now, vehicles weighing up to 9 metric ton are allowed to ply on the dam. He also said that the government has engaged consultants to explore alternative route that would connect Umiam with Shillong.
I want to tell you very straightforward. We have engaged an IIT for giving us the technical feasibility for allowing the vehicles passing through the bridge, and we are exactly doing what they have told us. And as per our consultant, they told that no vehicle more than 9 metric ton should be allowed through the bridge. That's why we are restricting that one.
Prime Minister